Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites are met. Your iPhone is unlocked, signed into your Apple ID, and running the latest iOS. Once done, open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services and flip the switch on. Make sure you grant permissions when an app prompts. Choose while using or always depending on need. This immediately enables GPS and related services, which apps use for maps, weather, and safety. Doing it now prevents permission blocks later and conserves expected privacy. Next, configure per app access so apps get only what you want. In Location Services, tap an app and pick Never while using or always choose while using for most apps to save battery. Once selected, make sure Precise Location is on for navigation apps and OFF for apps that don't need pinpoint accuracy. This balances privacy versus functionality. Also review system services and share My Location settings to permit Find My, Emergency SOS, and Time Zone updates. These enable core iPhone. Finish by testing location in Maps or a location-aware app. Open the app, allow permission, and confirm a blue dot or accurate weather location. Once done, make sure low power mode and active VPNs aren't blocking location. Also verify date and time set automatically. If location still misbehaves, reset location and privacy or reset network settings, then restart the iPhone. This clears permission glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: turn off low power mode and retest, since it can restrict background location updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.